Hello everyone, today in this video I like to share you guys Honor 200 unboxing and short review after 8 months. So starting with the unboxing, so at first talk about the box content. You can get one soft case, one SIM ejector tool, one USB Type-C cable, 100-watt adapter, and our Honor 200. Let's now talk about the phone design and the build quality. The smartphone comes with glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame, but it's look nice and feel too much premium in the hand, and it's very lightweight. The smartphone weight only 187 gram. The smartphone comes with 6.7-inch 1 big color OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 4000 nits peak brightness. And performance wise, the smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC and the phone running Magic OS 9 with Android 15. Now let's talk about the camera. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video. Security wise, the smartphone comes with the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. At the battery section, the smartphone powered by 5200 mAh battery with 100-watt fast adapter. Okay, that pretty much for Honor 200 short unboxing and review, and this smartphone long time full review coming very soon. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.